Ann Leader in 1917 responded to women's suffrage argument. She defended women with her counter-argument: women should have an equal right to vote, to choose a lawmaker as men for the reason for having a republic. Women who must pay the taxes like men should have the same right to allocate the taxpayer money for government spending. The democracy is based on the notion of majority opinion regardless of different gender identities. Women's equal pay in their basic right for the same amount of work as men do. Women are sentimental and emotional as men are, and capable to make decisions to the governmental affairs. The decision made by men to sending American troops to Cuba and India for help for sentimental. In American history, our great men leader made decision for the nation based on their sentiments, what they dreamed of, regardless of biological gender differences. Every man has a natural differences in character and temperament. So women should not be barred from voting because of the natural differences between women and men. The term feminist derives from the efforts of women to fight for their rights, for equality and reforms as a part of democratic process. Alice praised the 1950 National American Women Suffragists Association resolution in favor of women's right to vote. After World War I, the National American Suffrage Association focused on state voting rights laws. In 1918, President Woodrow Wilson supported for the Women's Suffrages Amendment. In 1970, feminists and other genders challenged and rejected gender discrimination. In 20th to 21st centuries, technology of communication brought people from different gender together to fight against gender discrimination. Closing statement. People's complex life always depend on the social, economic, and political structure in regards with race, class, and gender created by either different individual or groups. The development of and formation of race, class, and gender are rooted in American history. The greed of economic gain created different races and classes. Oppressed people affected by racial, class, and gender discrimination voiced to fight for their equal right, which led communities and government to rethink their social ideology and policies for the reform. At the end of the day, if any race or gender is provided equal economic and social opportunities, it will become a better class. Let's watch some other summarized slides. Table of contents. References.